Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to clean your computer hard drive. So what is a hard drive? Now a hard drive stores all the documents, pictures, music and all other files in your computer. It is all stored on a hard drive, and hard drives can be internal or external. To learn more you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now we are back at my desktop. So I will have to go to the type here to search for the disk cleanup. Then I will have to click here. Then I will have to select the drive I want to clean. I will select the F drive, then click on OK. Then all I have to do is simply click on OK. Now it is done. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to clean your hard drive. Thank you for watching.